Welcome, Wagachalor. Let us learn 40 Dinka words. Number 1, Ran. Ran mean person. Number 2, Ayar. Ayar mean shame. Number 3, Aryop. Aryop mean reward. Number 4, Anyuan. Anyuan mean rubbish. Number 5, Atip. Atip mean shadow. Number 6, Twany. Atwany mean 6. Number 7, Biet. Biet means silent. Number 8, Nyal. Nyal means sky. Number 9, Nyat. Nyat means cloud. Number 10, Alony. Alony means sleep. Number 11, Benin. Benin means sleep. Number 12, Aneknin. Aneknin means sleepy. You are sleepy. Ineknin. 13, Randet. Randet means someone. 14, Chwai. Chwai means soup. 15, Bijam. Bijam means to speak. Number 16, Jam means fish. 17, Betiaiping. Betiaiping means to spread something. 18, Bukwal. Bukwal means still. 19, Yash. Yash means stomach. 20, Arem Yash, stomach ache. Arem Yash, stomach ache. 21, Dot. Dot. Dot means stone. Number 22, Biliek. Biliek means to swallow. Number 23, Kwang. Kwang means swimming. 24, Bukwang. Bukwang means to swim. Number 25, Ran Kwang means swimmer. 26, Shubut means swollen. 27, Yol means tail. 28, Mong conversation. 29, Crash Apedi terrible. 30, Pinnum wall. 31, Bidier to worry. Bidier. Number 32, Ngam yawn. 33, Team sneezing. 34, All coughing. 35, Diao to cry. 36, Ashimol crazy. 37, Arioch coward. 38, Tear or utter argument. 39, Kwan to help. 40, Yetok alone. By Ran Fioch Itongjang, William Majak. Follow this page for more Dinka lesson. YouTube name is Dinka Learning Class. Nearly Chabuek Dosh. So, bye.